How to install quick fix door furniture. Measure exactly 970 millimetres from the floor on both the door and the jamb. Mark with a builder's pencil. Using the jig template provided, mark and drill a 25 millimetre spindle hole on both sides of the door. Position the jig within the drilled spindle hole to mark holes labelled quick fix and optional privacy. Drill 4 millimetre pilot holes from both sides of the door. Re-drill 8 millimetre holes on both sides of the door. Also mark and drill a barrel hole 25 millimetres in diameter and 85 millimetres deep. Using the latch as a guide, mark the latch recess and chisel it out. Install latch, ensuring the curved latch bolt faces the door jamb. Mark and drill pilot holes. Then screw in the latch with the screws provided. Measure and mark 8 millimetres either side of the centre mark. Drill a hole 25 millimetres in diameter and 15 millimetres deep. Use the strike as a guide to mark and chisel the strike recess. Chisel enough clearance to allow for the dust box and strike plate. Insert the dust box. Drill the 2 pilot holes, then screw in the strike. Insert the quick fix furniture with pre-assembled studs and screws through the diagonal holes. Attach the other half of the furniture. Rotate the bezel to lock the set into place. Tighten screws. For additional strength, the optional anti-rotational screws can be attached. Fit the rose cover. Fit the privacy pin if required. Ready, set, done. Your quick fix door furniture is complete.